In this video, I will demonstrate the placement of a Neoss diameter 4.5x11mm straight ProActive implant. For ease of use, the recommended drilling sequence and the twist drill depth measurements are clearly identified on the Neoss clinical organizer. We can see the recommended drilling sequence for the 4.5x11mm straight implant on the Neoss flowchart. In addition, we see the different symbols which indicate the recommended final twist drill in regular or dense bone situations. It is important to note that the drill tip is 0.8mm beyond the drill depth marking. Drilling depths are easily identified on the twist drills by the 2mm wide bands. To start, there is a choice of either a lance drill or a round burr. The first twist drill will be the 2.2mm. Today we will also demonstrate the use of the Neoss drill stops. Drill stops correspond to the length of the implant you are placing and simply twist and push onto the twist drill to prevent drilling beyond the required depth. Drill stops are delivered sterile and are single use. Following the 2.2 twist drill, both the depth and angulation can be checked with the drill depth guide. There is now an option to use the pilot drill. This will widen the top of the osteotomy to 3mm, allowing the 3mm twist drill to follow the same direction as the 2.2 twist drill. After the 3mm twist drill, we use the 3.6 and finally the 3.9. In dense bone, we recommend the use of the 4.1mm twist drill, and in soft bone it is recommended to underprepare the osteotomy slightly. As indicated previously, the symbols for the different bone qualities are clearly shown on the flowchart. There is also the option to use a countersink or a screw tab. The Neoss ProActive Implant Kit contains 2 healing abutments of different sizes and a cover screw, as well as identification stickers for patient records. The lid of the glass vial is removed to expose the implant, which is picked up with the appropriate length implant inserter. The implant is then inserted, and we recommend a maximum insertion speed of 20 RPM. It is also recommended to start insertion at approximately 30 Newton-centimeters. And if the implant does not fully seat, then increase the torque incrementally to a maximum of 45 Newton-centimeters. Once seated, a gentle rocking motion of the handpiece will release the implant inserter from the implant. Should it be necessary to manually adjust the depth, then the implant inserter is connected to the implant wrench adapter, and together with the ratchet, the implant is seated to the final position. To enable correct orientation of the Neoss acetaline anatomically shaped abutments, implant insertion components are laser marked to indicate when the implant is orientated or indexed to a correct position. Depending on the surgical procedure, either a cover screw or the appropriate length healing abutment is now placed. The Neoss ProActive implant is ultra clean with a super hydrophilic surface, which demonstrates rapid bone formation and proven long-term maintenance of bone levels. The unique TCF design ensures high primary stability in all bone qualities. With over 16 years of function with the same design and internal connection, the Neoss ProActive implants may be used with confidence.